Welcome to Ellia's Creative Corner. Making a triangle picture, and it's gonna have triangles all colored in, and we're gonna make a heart in the middle and edge triangles around the heart. First, you need one piece of paper and it's small.
Like this?
Yes.
Perfect.
And then you're gonna need one black marker pen. And then you're gonna draw a triangle shape in the middle. Now you can color it in. I can show after I color it in. And after you color it in like this, you're going to take a pair of scissors. But be careful because scissors are sharp. So cut it out. And then put your trash over here. And then put a triangle on one side that's clean. A little bit more triangles. A little bit more small paper sticks. And then you're going to take as many colors as you like. But blue and yellow make green. And if you don't have green, you can make green. One more color and then we can go to the next step. After you got all of your colors all done, you're going to cut these shapes out.
That's a lot of triangles.
And then, after you got all of your paper where it's all clean out, you're going to take one piece of big white paper and blank.
Like computer paper?
Yeah. And then you're going to get sticky tape.
Sticky tape, got it. Like this?
Yes. And then you're going to take a little medium size one.
People need to be careful with that.
Because it's going to be a little sharp. And then roll it into a tape ball. And stick it somewhere on the picture. And draw a picture of a heart in the middle and color it in. But you don't have to cut it out. Because this is supposed to be my picture. After you colored your big heart, you're going to need some more sticky tape. Roll it into one tape ball. And put it right sticky.
Great.
And you're going to stick it on the picture, like right here. Okay, stick it here, and 3 more triangles. Kind of put it like a bandage and try to get it off. One last one. Got all of your triangles, stick it on the paper. First you're going to need a paper background now. And you're just going to do that and then do another color.
So you're filling in the empty spaces with more triangles. They're just not colored in.
Yeah. I told you we have a good idea. Now we're done for our heart and our triangles. Thank you for coming to Ellia's Creative Corner.